Hey, scientists. Hey, we're going to do a couple really easy experiments with refraction today that you can do along with me at home. So you're going to need a glass of water. It needs to be a clear glass of water, a paper, and a pencil. I lost my pencil. There it is. Okay. So on my piece of paper, I just drew a little arrow, and I'm just going to use that to demonstrate. Okay. All right, so with my glass of water, well, let me back up here. First we know refraction is the bending of light. So light is going to travel in a straight path until it hits something. And then it can keep traveling straight, or it might change direction, depending on what the medium is that it hits. So when light hits the water and it comes back from our eyes, we might see it a little bit differently. So I'm going to take, for example, this arrow and watch what happens when I put it behind the water. Do you see how it changes because of the refraction of it? This is even cooler though, and you can try this at home and amaze your family. So when I take my plain pencil and I drop it in my cup of water, it looks like it's broken. Isn't that cool? So it has nothing to do with the pencil. The pencil didn't break, still in one piece. But when I put it in that water, let me put a piece of paper behind it. When I put it in the water, it looks like it's broken there. So those are easy, fun refraction, not fraction, we're not in math, refraction experiments that you can do at home and amaze your family.